to never end the grind. We're catching monster catfish in a storm. Good day to all my friendly friends out there in the virtualness. I'm here with Mark. Mark, got anything to say to the camera?
Hey, let's go.
Hey, let's go.
Ándale.
Ándale, aquí estamos. We're out on the water. We just got out of Gravelly Point. And you know, today's gonna be an adventure. It's just me and Mark today. We're gonna have a great time. Look at the set of rods. Catfishing today. So let's get straight into it. See you guys then. Hello everyone, we are outside. Quick update, there's a plane in the sky and we are actually in about 57 feet of water right now. This is really nice. We saw a fish on the bottom and look at the view. No topwater action today.
No, I usually don't see anything here.
It's fun to throw though. He ate the white perch, right? The tail of a white perch.
Holy crap. I can't hardly reel him.
You want me to grab the net for this one?
Oh yeah, we're gonna need a net. This is a good one.
Oh wow, he was down below. How much? We're in 61 feet of water right now. So you know what? It's a given. He's down there.
Holy shit.
Ooh, I see. Oh my god, guys. Oh my god, guys. Can you guys see this catfish? This might be the biggest one I've seen. Now we're evolving.
Alright, now I'm gonna hold it for you. This is the way you hold them.
Now Mark's hands are big, guys. So don't underestimate. This is a big fish. Whoa, he can't fit in frame. That's a really good catch. Woo. Now I'm just waiting for that to happen to mine.
There, hit him.
There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh my god, I got it on recording. Let's go. Let's go. Okay,
Yeah, he's not
good.
bad.
He's not bad. Okay.
Hey.
Let's go. Woo! Another one for eating.
Eat that one, head to tail.
Yeah.
Hey, look at the fish now.
Yeah.
Look at the fish under the boat.
Oh wow, there's a bunch of fish on this boat. Let's go! Got another catfish. Holy moly! Look! Look! There's a school of fish under us.
Yep.
What does it say there? Like catfish? Is that what that means?
No, it doesn't.
There's bigger ones though. So it shows you the size. So guys, I'm gonna show you guys this, because this is awesome. Look at that. There's a bunch of fish under us and we're 60 feet above. Crazy. Weather update. It is raining now. Woo! You guys hear them winds? I don't know if I can hear the winds, but we're still outside. Still going to. Looks like it's a storm heading our way. Actually, is the anchor holding us? I don't know if we're drifting right now.
Yeah, we're drifting.
We're drifting away from the storm. Should be okay. Okay, now the anchor is pulled. It's done pulled on something. Just experiencing life out here, y'all. Just experiencing everything we can. We're in the rain. We're getting our first catch in the rain. This will be our first landed catch in the rain. Guys, I just missed a big boy. He bent my whole hook. That's how he came off. I'm not even joking to you guys. I'm not even joking. He only came off because that hook bent and it came out of his mouth. The big ones are like that. Where is he at? Show your face.
He's pulling line.
He's pulling line.
Oh shit.
This is a freaking crazy. Oh my god.
Shit, yeah.
Hell yeah, that's a hell yeah, man. Let's go, Mark, bro. We did it.
Alright.
This is the craziest catfish we caught. Yo! This is what we came for. Look at that.
Come here, Bubba.
Man, he could. Oh my gosh. Monster catfish day today. Monster catfish day today. Oh!
Something's wrong with the boat. Up to you.
Yeah! No. I don't.
You got a good photo of him? You got another one. Look at your eye.
Oh. Hey, we're on the nose. Yes, sir. What a good day. Yeah, buddy. Another big one. Yeah. Let's go. Got another biggie. Another biggie. Ah, serious, my guy. Stop. Guys, look at our catfish, man.
You're dead.
No, it's good. Oh my god. Look at my shirt, guys. I'm soaked. We're soaked out here, but we're still grinding. You guys thought I would end my grind? I could never end the grind. We're catching monster catfish in a storm. Yeah! Let's go! Quick update, the storm has ended. Let's go!
Yeah, we survived. Yay!
Yay! And while it was ending, I caught me another blue catfish. I'm gonna eat him. Yes, sir. Subscribe to The Real Cruise. Storm went that way. Looks good that way. Stay tuned. I'm still outside. Okay, guys. Plan is to head out. But there's a rainbow. There's a rainbow. After the storm comes some beauty. After the storm comes the light. I'm freezing though, guys. Some of y'all may be like, Chris, why are you out in the storm? Why are you trying to do all this? Why are you so extreme? I'm not really. I'm just walking with God, okay? Always encomiéndase a Dios, okay? We're outside. Yeah. Any last words to the camera, Mark?
What a day.
What a day, really. It was a great day. If you guys didn't hear that, that's even more thunder. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, share to all your friends. Double rainbow! Double rainbow! Subscribe to The Real Chris! Through the Potomac River. Subscribe to The Real Chris. What's he doing there? Gotta love it. Subscribe to The Real Chris, subscribe to The Real Chris, subscribe to The Real Chris. If you're not subscribed yet, I don't know what you're doing. What are you doing here?
Now.
What?
It's yours.
It's mine now?
Yes, sir.
Whoa. Okay, cool.
Anyways, when I get in trouble, it's gonna be me.
We were in a storm and then we came out to a double rainbow.
Now, it may not be so smooth, because now we're getting into the wake zone.
Okay. Guys, it's been a long day. We're gonna let go our fish, guys. Not gonna be eating them. I already have frozen catfish at the crib. But you know what? We did good. We made our decision. You guys aren't gonna get eaten. Yeah! Yo, bro, you're not gonna get eaten. Yo, bro, you're not gonna get eaten. Yo, bro, you're not gonna get eaten, bro. Bro, they don't seem happy enough, bro. I hope y'all enjoyed today's video, bro. You know what we like to do. We like to be outside. We like to just do what we like. I like to go fishing, bro. I love to go fishing for real. I love fighting these fish. That was a thickie. Yeah.
Why don't you go ask those guys if they want some big fish?
Oh, that's smart. That's smart. Thanks for watching. Let's go see if they want some big fish. Allá tenemos unos grandes catfish. ¿Quieren?
No, yo los dejo ir.
No, los dejes ir. Oh, okay. Okay, está muy bien. Gracias. King. Subscribe to The Real Chris right now. If you ain't subscribed, bro, what are you doing, bro? Like, bro, I just caught all these catfish. Mark just caught this catfish and stuff. We just caught endless catfish. Alright guys, this is like my biggest catfish ever. Or maybe this one was the PB. I have no idea, honestly, guys. I guess that's it for today's video, guys. No more catfish in the bag. Yo, thank you so much for watching. It's The Real Chris. I'll stay real for y'all every single day of my life. Oh my gosh, I hope y'all liked the video. We were in a storm. We saw a double rainbow. We're at Gravelly Point right now. Like, what is life, bro? Stay tuned for the next video. I'm catching an even bigger catfish. Thank you to Mark, and have a blessed day.